Hello everyone, Jaime Mantilla here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use AI to write blog posts under 1 minute. Of course, you want to humanize your content. This is just for the purpose of illustration, how you can take AI to write SEO content for you, and then you can go ahead and humanize it, once you review it and things like that. But again, this is just for illustration purposes, where you can actually connect make.com, okay, which is an automation, low code, no code automation tool. You have Airtable, which is a database in the cloud that you can actually, it's very easy, very intuitive, very user friendly. You can create the columns, it's free. Depending on the features, you could actually increase, but this is free. This is free. And all you need is either ChatGPT or Anthropic, which is Claude. So you need the API keys. For those, you actually probably going to spend cents. That's it. So I'm just going to go ahead and run this for you. And let's say we say using, this is the keyword, using AI to write blog posts. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click generate, which is going to spin up the browser to the webhook, and that webhook is going to trigger this sequence. So as you can see here, the sequence got triggered. Let's just see real quick what's going to happen here. So as you can see, it is in progress. This started running. So as you can see, these bubbles started populating now. Whoops. And now it's doing its thing. But I'm just going to stay here on this side. Let's see if I can just put it here. And this status is going to start updating. So as you can see here, is writing the content. So it came here to the table, it updated the table, and then in a few minutes, it's just going to generate, I don't even know how long have we been running this, like probably 30 seconds. But again, it's just doing the job for us, and it's going to create an outline, generate images, create 2 blog posts in a Word document. And that's it. All you have to do is kind of proofread it, add your examples, videos, links, whatever you need to do. Depending on the output. Of course, you gotta test this out. With prompt engineering, you will have to update and modify the prompts to make sure you get the right outcome. But again, for illustration purposes, as you can see, this finished under a minute, and now I have 2 blog posts. I have the outlines here. So these are the outlines for both outline A and B. I have an image. So using AI to write blog posts, this is number 1, not too shabby. And then this other one, again, is all kind of themed based on the output and the keyword that we use. And then if we take a look at these 2 blog posts, the output of it, again, it's not perfect, and you can actually modify it as you please. But it says how to use AI to write blog posts in 2025, a complete guide for content creators. The meta description is learn how to use AI to write blog posts efficiently 2025. Discover practical tips, tools, and strategies to create high quality content while saving time, perfect for bloggers and content creators. And then why AI writing tools are revolutionizing blogging. And then it kind of starts with the whole blog post. It gives you information, it gives you a tip, create your first AI writing blog post in 7 simple steps. Pick your AI tool, plan your content structure, write clear prompts, review and edit the AI output. Keep your AI content human and engaging, essential AI writing tools. So it actually gives you the information, ChatGPT, Gasper, these are the tools, Copy AI, Claude. The same as this one. You have the blog post, you have the actual image, you have the content itself. So AI blog writing guides 2025, how to create amazing content writing artificial intelligence. You have the meta description, you have the H2s with bullet points, and the conclusion, right? So all you have to do is, let's say once you start writing, once you review the content, if you feel that it is good to be posted, or if you have modified everything, or you combine them all, and then you have something that is ready to go, all you have to do is come here, update to humanize, yes, and then you can create another sequence to either post it manually on WordPress or whatever blog post you have, or give it to your clients or whatever, or you can create an automation step where you can potentially repurpose to different social media channels. Again, this is more for me to show you what I've been messing around, to kind of give you ideas of what you can do for yourself to be more efficient. But that's it for this video. So let me know if you have any questions, comments. I'll be happy to engage with you in my comments. And I'm also happy to get feedback. So let me know how I can improve the content, if you want to see something else. And that should do it. See you in the next video. Take care. Thank you.